Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to make this delicious and moist chocolate banana bread recipe you can all mix in one bowl. Now let's get baking! First, we're gonna mash 3 to 4 overripe bananas. Measure the bananas after you mash it and make sure it's about 1.5 cups. Then add in 2 room temperature eggs and mix everything together. Then add in 3/4 cups of melted cooled butter. Then add in 1.5 cups of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, then just continue mixing everything together. Once you've mixed all of the wet ingredients, now it's time to add in our dry ingredients. In the same bowl, we will add 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of cocoa powder. Mix everything together until everything is well combined. Then lastly, add in about a cup of your favorite chocolate chips and fold everything together. Prepare your baking pan by adding a parchment paper and then add in the banana bread batter. And finally, top with more chocolate chips on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 350° Fahrenheit or 180° Celsius for 45 minutes to an hour, or until toothpick inserted in the middle comes out nice and clean. Cool your banana bread in a cooling rack, then enjoy. I hope you like this very simple but delicious and moist banana bread recipe. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of my delicious baking videos. See you next time!